Hey there, my name is KT Temple. I am a virtual market center tech trainer for about 2,000 agents. I am a real estate agent in North Carolina and South Carolina for the Temple team. And I'm also a franchise owner for a company called Cyberbacker. And I'm coming to your market center to teach you all about social media marketing. It's a workshop that we're going to do that will cover all the different platforms, Facebook and Instagram. And we're going to show you how to create content to get in front of the right people. We'll be using a lot of artificial intelligence to help build a nice framework for you to get content out there quickly and to make you sound as good as possible. Definitely bring your computer with you because this is a workshop. You are going to be logging into all your different platforms, and I'm going to give you a ton of time to try out all the different techniques and walk you through them. I can't wait to meet you all, and I'm excited to come to your market center.